Hidden away at home in his tiny sound laboratory, the electronics engineer has been developing the handheld synthesizer for more than a year. He's made it easy to play, and it's also environmentally friendly, utilising recycled timber, CDs and even ping-pong balls. And it opens up a whole new world of sound.
It's aimed really at anybody who's interested in making some kind of sound. They don't particularly have to be trained musicians, but they can pick it up and go further. I mean, the idea is that it's aimed at anybody really, from a very basic student to somebody who uses it professionally.
The little infinite frequency expander, or LIFE for short, needs only batteries and an ordinary hi-fi amp to work. It's already been used by top pop band Pulp on their #1 album, and for film and video game soundtracks. Now it's attracting attention from Europe, Australia and North America. With the help of the Enterprise Award, Life's inventor sees its future blooming.
Now I'll have some financial backing which will enable me to go on and develop it further to something more streamlined, with more, it will actually do more, it will appeal to more people, and you'll be able to get much more out of it.
Once you've picked up a life, it's certainly hard to put it down. It makes even the tone deaf like me feel like a real musician. And for Grant Stevens, it's proving a sound investment. Steve Jones, BBC Wales Today, Landrindod, Wales.